This lesson is on the composition of functions. Composition of functions is when we're going to combine multiple functions. As a review, functions can be written in the form f of x is equal to whatever the expression is. And then we can have multiple function g of x would be equal to another expression. So if f of x is 0.5x minus 3 and g of x is 2x plus 5, what is the value of g of f of 4? So like with our order of operations, we're going to start from the innermost parentheses and work our way out. So we just have a 4 on the innermost parentheses, so nothing to do there. So we're going to start with finding f of 4. So f of 4 is equal to 0.5 times 4 minus 3. 0.5 times 4 is 2 minus 3 to give us negative 1. So f of 4 is equal to negative 1. Now we're going to replace the f of 4 with negative 1 and look for g of negative 1. G of negative 1 is 2 times negative 1 plus 5. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So we would write our final answer as g of f of 4 is equal to 3. The second problem, f and g are two functions defined as f of x is 2x minus 3 and g of x is x squared plus 4. Want to know what g of f of x is. I notice now instead of having a number on the innermost, I have a variable x in my innermost parentheses. So that means my final answer will have an x in it. So we're going to start by replacing f of x to have g of 2x minus 3. Now since g of x is x squared plus 4, I'm going to replace the x squared with 2x minus 3 and square that all in parentheses plus 4. So I'll write my final answer as g of f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 squared plus 4. F and g are two functions. Now f of x is 4x plus 3 and g of x is 2x squared. What is g of f of x? So since I have an x on my innermost parentheses, I know that my answer is going to have an x in it. So I'm going to replace f of x and find g of 4x plus 3. G of x is 2x squared. So I'm going to replace the x with 4x plus 3. So I have 2 times 4x plus 3 squared. So g of f of x is equal to 2 times 4x plus 3 squared.